I can see the trauma anchor and the belief clearly, but I still feel the emotional charge in my body. Does that mean the work didn't work? So that's the first one. And so what is important for this one is you can have cognitive insight. You can, with your mind, understand what is going on with you. But that doesn't mean that you've integrated all of this into your nervous system yet. That takes time. That pattern has been with you in your life for many, many years. So, one session where you're actually able to pinpoint and see the thing is not going to change the behavior, all of that, just with a little magic wand. So awareness of it will reduce your confusion because you can now sort of see more clearly what's happening in your mind, and when that little pattern comes out to play. But it's not going to change instantly. It is a work in progress, just in the same way that it's the spiral that you will keep digging into almost your whole life as you heal deeper and deeper layers. And so your body will update slower than your mind, actually. So your nervous system and your behavior, how your nervous system is regulated around this is not going to change instantly because it needs to feel a safe space. And you're taking away its core sort of safety pattern now. So it is going to feel challenging. It is going to feel uncomfortable as you go through this, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't be doing this work. This is like the little obstacle that is in the way of the life that you are meant to live. So it is absolutely worth it to actually go and work on that, even if your progress is slow, even if it isn't instant, and even if it's not the nicest thing in the world, to actually be delving into all of this.